Hi friends, Namaskar. I'm Anita. Today I'm going to make watermelon mojito mocktail. Here are the ingredients for the watermelon mojito mocktail. So friends, we need soda, 5 to 6 mint leaves, 2 slices of lemon, watermelon pieces for the decoration and some mint leaves for the decoration, sugar and watermelon juice. For the watermelon juice, take watermelon pieces and remove the seeds and blend them into the juice. So friends, now I am taking some 5 to 6 mint leaves in a empty glass and 2 slices of lemon, and I am going to muddle them in the glass very gently. Now add the watermelon juice which I have prepared earlier. You need to take half cup of watermelon juice, half tablespoon of sugar, 3 to 4 cubes of ice. Now I am going to fill the glass with soda water. Then mix it very well. Now garnish with watermelon and the mint leaf. Now I am going to garnish with lemon as well. Now the watermelon mojito mocktail is ready. Now friend, the watermelon mojito mocktail is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to comment below in box. Thank you. Bye.